Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. The topic is cube and cube root. The last class we have seen cube and cube root. Today also we are going to see the same related to this problems we are going to see. Now we shall recall. Find the cube of 15. Cube of 15 means you have to write this 15 as 15 cube. Okay. Then you have to write this as 15 into 15 into 15. Okay. Now you have to multiply in the side. 15 15s are 225 we know. Isn't it? Okay. Now we shall multiply one more 15. And the answer is 3375. Okay. Like this you have to multiply and write 3375. Now find the cube of 100. That is equal to, you have to 100 cube. Now what is the answer for this? 100 into 100 into 100. Then the answer is 1. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 6. Okay. And next, third one, 0.1. The cube of, they said there, so that only they didn't put a cube in the power. Okay. Now you have to write after that only you have to find the answer. Okay. 1 cube is equal to 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1. Then it is equal to 0.123. So 1 already we have, 1 into 1 into 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now we have 3 digits, isn't it? 1, 2, 3 digits after we have to keep point. Before we have to keep point. Okay. Now cube root of, this cube root of 343. Okay, 343 will divide by which number? We'll see. 343. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So it won't divide by 3 table. Okay. It is not the even number. In the last digit is not a even number. So it is won't divide by 2. The next, we shall see 5. It is the units place is 3. So it won't divide by 5. Okay. Yes, we shall see 7. 7 means 7 fours are, yes, 28. 7 fours are 28. 34 minus 28, 6. So here 63 will come. 9 sevens are 63. Yes. And you can divide again by 7. 3 sevens are here, isn't it? So they asked cube root of 343. So cube root of 7 into 7 into 7. That is equal to 7 is the answer. So cube root of 343 is equal to 7. Okay. Then we shall see the cube root of 216 by 729. We know that I have to write like this. Yes, they said cube root, so they didn't write the cube root. Now we have to write first like this. After that, six into 6 into 6. We know that, isn't it? Then 729. That also we know. Say yes. 9 into 9 into 9. If you don't know, means you have to do by prime factorization and see. Okay. Now we can take 6 outside one time. So it is 6 cube by 9 cube, isn't it? It is cube root. So you have to take 1 outside. The answer is, you can cancel. If you can cancel means 3 2s are 3 3s are. The answer is 2 by 3. So the cube root of 216 divided by 729 is equal to 2 by 3. Cube root of 1331. We know that first you have to write like this. Cube root of 1331 is equal to cube root of, you know that 11 into 11s are 121, 11s are 1331. So you can take 11 outside. This is the answer. And we shall see the decimal number 0.000512. We already know that 512 is equal to cube root of 512 is equal to 8. 8 cube is 512. Okay, you can take one time outside. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 512 by 6 zeros you can write here. Okay, cube root. Now 8 will come divided by cube root of 100 cube, isn't it? 100, 200s, 300s. Here 300s are here. So you can take 100 outside. 8 by 100. So the answer is 0.08. Okay. The next one. Find cube root of 216. 0.216. Already we know that cube root of 216 is 6. Isn't it? So now we have to write this as 216 divided by 1000 we can write. Isn't it? Now this becomes 6 and the denominator is 10 cube. 1, 2, 3. You can write this as 10 cube. Isn't it? Okay, now it will come as 6 by 10. The answer is 0.6. Yes. Okay, have you understood? Now we shall move to exercise 1.5. Find the smallest number by which 200 should be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. Till now we have seen the square. Now we have to see whether the 200 is a perfect cube. Okay, solution. We have to divide by prime factorization. Then how many 2's? 3 2's and 2 5's. Here 3 2's and 2 5's. Here 1 5 is missing for perfect cube. Isn't it? All the numbers should come. The power will be cube. Then only it will be perfect cube. Here 1 5 is missing. If you multiply 1 5, this will become 5 cube. So if you multiply 5 on both sides, then 5 2s are 10, 1000. Okay, 1000 is a perfect cube. Okay, now we have to multiply 1 5. No, that we have tried. 5 is the smallest number by which 200 should be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. Okay. Find the cube root of 24 into 36 into 80 into 25. They said cube root, so they didn't write cube root. Now after solution we must take within cube root. Okay, that is 24 is 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 3's are 24. Okay, that like if you don't know to write like this means you have to do by prime factorization. Okay, that is 12 means 2 3 2's 1 3. Then 36 means 2 2's 2 3's. Then 80 means 4 2's and 1 5. 25 means I have written all these. Now you take 3 3. Yeah, 3 2's are here. So 2 cube. Then 1 3 2 again 3. 1 2 3. So 3 cube. Again 1 2. Take 1 2 from here. Then 2 cube. Again here 3 2 with, already we have. So 2 cube. Here 3 5's we have 5. Then take 1 1 outside. 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 3's are 6, 6 2's are 12. Okay, 5 2's are 10. 120. And the answer of 24, 36 to 80 and 25 within cube root is equal to 120. Find the cube root of 729 and 6859. For both the numbers you have to find the cube root. Okay, cube root of 729, cube root of 6859. For cube root, only one method, that is prime factorization. So we are doing by prime factorization. 729 is divisible by 3. So 243, 81, 27, 9 and 3. Here only one number is divisible, that is prime number 19. So 19, 90, 90. Now take this cube root of 729, that is how many 3's are here? 6 3's are here. 3 cube, 3 cube. Take 1 3 outside, 1 3 outside, then cube root of 729 is equal to 9. Then take this. Here 3 19's are coming, so 19 cube. And cube root gets cancelled, and the answer is 19. What is the square root of cube root of this? Okay, this number. First, you have to find square root of cube root of this number. Okay, first, you have to draw that square root. After that, you have to draw cube roots. And within that, you have to write 46,656. Now, we have only one method for finding the cube root, that is prime factorization method. So, you write as cube root. Okay. Now, the last number is even, so you can divide by 2. We are dividing by 2, then 729, then dividing by 3. Then how many 2's are here? 6 2's and 6 3's. Okay. Within that you write. And find, first we are finding the cube root and taking the cube root outside. Okay. Then we have written 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube into 3 cube. Okay. Now you have to take 1 1 outside. 2 into 2. 4 3's are 12. 12 3's are 36. We have found the cube root of 46,656. That is 36. Okay. Now we have removed the cube root. Then it will only one root is here. Root 36. Root 36 is 9 into 4. 9 is 3 square. 4 is 2 square. Take 1 1 outside. The answer for root of cube root of 46,656 is 6. Okay. Then next one, ninth one. If the cube of a squared number is 729, find the square root of that number. If the cube of a squared number, first you find the cube of this number. Okay. 3 into 3 into, like this you have to write, and take the 1 3 outside and another 3 outside. 9 is the cube root of 729. Okay, this we have found. Now next, for that you have to find root, square root of. Then square root means 3 3's are 9. So 1 3 outside taking. The square root of 3. That only you have to find the square root of that number. Okay. That number. You have to find the square root of this 3. We have to find square root of 3. Okay. For this square root of 3, only we can use the long division method. Okay. So, you have to put long division method. 1 3. You have to find 3 digits means 1 2 3 4 set of zeros you have to add after point. Okay. Because we are going to find 3 digits. Okay. So, first we are dividing by long division method. Then only you can find the square root of 3. Okay. So, now 1 1's are 1. Okay. And subtract and write 2. Then bring down 2 zeros. You multiply this 1 2 table with 2 table. 1 2's are 2. Then 7. With 2 we are dividing 7 7 multiplying. Okay. Multiplying 7 and 7, then it will come 189. So 7, write 7 and 7 here. Next, again we are subtracting. You borrow under 10 minus 9, 1. Again here 9 minus 8, 1. You bring down 2 zeros. Okay. Now you have to multiply this 17 by 2 table. That is 17 2's are 34. With 34, we are multiplying 3, 3. Okay. Then it will come as 1029. Next, you have subtract, that is 71. So bring down 2 zeros. Okay, then it will be 7100. You have to multiply this 173 by 2 table, 173 by 2 table, then it will be 346. Okay, 346. With 346 we are multiplying 2 2. So 2 2 we are writing, and write the 6924, and again you subtract, and it will come this much, 17600. Okay, now we have to multiply for this all 1.732 into 2, so 3464. Now here 34,064 is here. If you add 1 0, the 34,640. Here we have only 17,600. Okay, so we cannot divide this because this is a smaller number. It is very big. Okay, if you add with 3 4 6 4 any number, 1 or 2 or, then it will come as 34,640, 42, 41, like that will come. But we have here is 17,600. So again you have to add 2 zeros, then only it will be comfortable. So you are adding 1 0 and again taking 2 zeros, then it is enough. So 3.732. So root 3 is equal to 1.732. 1.732 is the answer for root 3. Okay. Then you shall see the 10th sum. That is, find two smallest perfect square numbers which when multiplied together gives a perfect cube number. It is 2 square and 4 square. The numbers are 4 and 16. Okay, we are taking two smallest perfect square numbers. Smallest means that is 2 square and 4 square is the smallest square numbers which when multiplied together gives a perfect cube number. That is 2 square and 4 square. The numbers are 4 and 16. Their product is 4 into 16 is equal to 64. That is 64 is equal to 4 into 4 into 4. The required square numbers are 4 and 16. Here the required square numbers are 4 and 16 are the required square numbers for 64. They are perfect cube. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.